Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama saya Alvaro kelas 8 di channel SMPIT-SMAIT Miss Bos. Kali ini saya akan berbagi tips untuk kalian untuk traveling saat pandemi. Baik, uh, I want to share some tips for traveling pandemic. Before deciding to traveling, we have to analyze the place that we want to visit and to explore historic place or other. Indonesian have a lot of beautiful city or tourist destination such as Bali, Jogja, Semarang, and a lot of cities. Every city has own culture. When we decided where to go, then we have to book accommodation, transportation, and we have to make a list of place that we want to visit it. Next, since we are still on pandemic situation, so always bring your personal sanitation, like mask, and sanitizer, wipes, tissue, soap, and your personal medicine. Because they are helping you to kill virus. On traveling, don't be closer with other people because you don't know their condition. Always wear and don't forget to wear mask. Always and always wash your hand with soap. And don't forget to drink vitamin and a lot of water in uh, traveling. And thank you for watching the YouTube video in SMPT SMIT School. And see you in next episode. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.